Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to build more faster here in this mini war game in Roblox. So the first thing you're obviously going to want to focus on is just getting more civilians and more workers overall. To do that, build more houses, apartment, and farmhouses. So essentially, just build more civilian buildings because the more houses means more civilians you're going to have overall, which is going to help your country obviously to grow a lot faster. Now, once you go ahead and have your country stock up a decent amount, now you're going to want to focus on getting these little worker buildings as well, just like this one. So in order to do that, you can go to the shopkeeper. Just go click on this buy icon here, and then go to the shopkeeper, and then you'll have to go to this special icon here, and then buy this workshop building. So for now, I'm unable to purchase that workshop building because I already purchased that one. So if it's available in your end, go ahead and buy that one. And that's obviously the two things that you'll have to focus on in order for you to build more faster in this mini war game in Roblox. And also make sure you have to expand your country just by some lot here in order for you to build more buildings. So that's it going to be for the guide and how to build faster for the mini war game in Roblox.